Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to apply for a fully funded scholarship at Hamad Bin Khalifa University in Doha, Qatar. Hamad Bin Khalifa University is a prestigious institute known for its innovative research and interdisciplinary programs. It offers a unique environment for academic excellence and culture exchange. But what makes it even more attractive is the availability of fully funded scholarship. So you can open the website of Hamad Bin Khalifa University. Here you can see that you can apply in different colleges like College of Islamic Study, College of Humanity and Social Science, College of Science and Engineering, College of Law, College of Health and Life Sciences, College of Public Policy. Hamad Bin Khalifa University provide various fully funded scholarships for both local and international students. This includes the Graduate Research Scholarship, which is for Master and PhD student, and Undergraduate Scholarship for Bachelor level student. For Undergraduate Scholarship, Hamad Bin Khalifa University only offers the scholarship for engineering programs. So, before you applying for the scholarship, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. You must have a relevant undergraduate degree from any academic background, a CGPA of 3 or more than 3, and English proficiency certificate. And for research, you might also need relevant research experience of publication, mostly for the PhD. So this is the application page of Hamad Bin Khalifa University. Just click on the create account, write your name, so you have to write your name, email address, confirm your email address, date of birth, then residency, international student, okay, then your country name, code, like you can add your country code, and you have to, okay, for example Qatar, then academic level, if you want to apply for a certificate, PhD degree, graduate program or undergraduate program, you just have to mention, and then like this one, then create password, and click on create account. So you just have to add your number and just click on the account. So you must, for a HBKU application, you need your complete application. You must have a statement of purpose outlining your academic goal and research interest, letter of recommendation from your professor or from your supervisor, and you must have academic transcript and your CV. So you can submit your application online through HBKU portal. Application of HBKU is very simple, but you have to pay 250 Riyal as a registration fee as well. So depending on the program, you may be invited for interviews. Prepare to discuss your background, research interest, and why you choose HBKU. After submitting the application, you have to wait for at least 6 to 7 months, and you will be notified of your acceptance and scholarship by email. So this is all about how to apply for a fully funded scholarship at Hamad Bin Khalifa University. If you need any more information, or if you have any question, please leave in the comments below. Good luck with your application. See you next time.